I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Rainbow Six Siege on Xbox Cloud Gaming. First, make sure your Xbox Game Pass Ultimate subscription is active. You will need this to access the service. Next, open your web browser or the Xbox app and navigate to the Cloud Gaming section. A strong internet connection, ideally 20 megabits per second or more, is crucial for a smooth experience. Finally, connect your Xbox controller to your device. Once you are set up, finding Rainbow Six Siege is straightforward. Use the search bar within the Xbox Cloud Gaming interface to locate the game. After finding it, simply select Play to start streaming. The game will load directly from the cloud servers to your device. A short loading time is normal, typically under 1 minute, as the connection establishes and the game initializes. To get the best experience, consider a few optimizations. A 5 GHz Wi-Fi connection or a wired Ethernet cable will significantly improve stability and reduce latency. Close any other applications that might be using a lot of internet bandwidth. Using a low-latency display can also help minimize input lag, making your gameplay feel more responsive. Ensure your device is up to date. If you encounter any problems, don't worry, there are simple solutions. First, try restarting your browser or the Xbox app completely. Often, this resolves minor glitches. Always check your internet connection speed and stability. A fluctuating connection is a common cause of streaming issues. Confirm your Game Pass Ultimate subscription is active. For persistent problems, Xbox support offers helpful guides and solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.